Oh, hello guys, welcome back to Down with Mr. Darcy. I'm your host, Darcy. 我叫 Darcy， 我是加拿大人。저는darcy입니다. 다시와 Darcy des. mirnan Darcy ha. So today I'm cooking ya cha fan or duck fried rice. This is Peking duck fried rice that I'm cooking. Right now I got my pan heating up right now to the right temperature. So as I get this going here, let's start cooking this fried rice right away. The main thing right now is getting our wok at least hot enough. We want it to be Chijian hot or maybe Nian Lin type of hot. Yes, we want it very nice and hot because right now I just got my oil inside. Make sure to get those oils move around here. So first up, I'm going to be adding my eggs here. So first up, we got the eggs. So we're just going to get them quickly going here. So that's a good sign. Our pot is hot enough. Give me 1 sec here, guys. I'll be super quick. Because the eggs don't take that long to do, so it'll only be like a couple moments before they're done. Okay, so the eggs right now is almost done here. We're just going to break it up here very quick. We don't want rubbery eggs as we cook our chopped fine, okay? So we're just going to get this done over with here. Right now we just got like perfectly nice, smooth, soft eggs. You can look here. We want it nice like this. I know you can't really see it, but for now, it's nice. Well, of course, Gordon Ramsay probably would not approve of these eggs, but the thing is here, we want nice, soft eggs here. So we're just going to put them aside here because we're going to be adding them in soon here. Sorry about that here. Okay, so we're going to get our pan hot again here. We're just going to add just a tad bit more oil. We should move around the oil here, obviously. Let's see here, we're just going to get that going again here. The pot is nice and good. So next we'll be adding just a tad bit of ginger. But we got to be careful here because we do not want to burn our garlic and our ginger. So yeah, it's quite hot right now. So, but we're not going to let that get us down. So next up we'll be adding our little bit of garlic here. Just going to lower just a tad bit here. It smells very beautiful actually. Now we are going to get into the next thing here. Okay, so next up we are going to add our fan bing bing, our nice ready cooked rice. So usually when I cook chow fan, I usually get rice like this that's ready cooked, and you just throw it in the microwave for a minute, 30 seconds, and it cooks right away. So in that way, and you just let it sit for a day, and it's very helpful. Now we're just going to add in our rice inside here. Just a tad bit of soy sauce here. I'm using a little bit more of a sweeter soy sauce because it pairs well with the chow fan. So we'll just add a little bit of chow fan. There we go, a little bit of soy sauce. We're going to add some baijiu next because we want to loosen up the rice here because we're going to be adding our eggs and duck next. Because it'll loosen up the rice here. It'll cause a little bit of steaming here if we look here. So it's just starting to steam up just a tad bit. So we're just going to continue on here. Just going to loosen up our rice here a little bit here, guys. good. Our rice is now loosened up here quite a bit for us here. And mix it all together here. Nicely with the now our rice is loosened up, as you can see. And we're just going to continue on here. We're now going to add our egg in next. We're just going to mix it all around here. And just to add a little bit of flavor here, we have MSG, some monosodium glutamate. Sorry about that a little bit. Busy, let's just add just a tad bit here. Because we want to have lots of flavor here as we cook our chopped fine. Now we're just going to incorporate everything here. We're just going to mix it around here. You see, it really doesn't take that long here while we're like maybe like 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes into the video here, so here we go. So now that everything's all been mixed in here, we're looking pretty good. I'm quite satisfied with that. So next up, we'll be adding in the duck. So here's my beautiful Peking duck, as you can see. It's not too bad. I love Peking duck. I just love the smell and the ambience of it. It's very delicious smelling, as always. Get our rice is starting to crisp up here a little bit, which is good. We want that. So tell me, do you guys like nyai chop pan ma? Of course you guys do. So now we're going to be adding in the duck. Do you want to because duck is very delicate here, we want to make sure that it doesn't burn, obviously with our wok being so hot. So just going to move that around here, and we'll get here. I forgot one thing here. I'm just going to add some veggies inside as well, just to add just a bit of color to the dish here. So this won't take too long. We're just going to add some veggies. And the best thing to do with like frozen veggies is try to steam the veggies. So the best thing I recommend doing is just adding just a tad bit of soy sauce. And also we're going to add a little bit of baijiu as well. So just a small little splash will help it cook up here. So far this is what we got so far here. We're just going to be adding some chopped green onion here soon. Let's mix it all together here. Oh, it smells very aromatic with all the spices that they use for the duck. It's very delicious smelling in here. Like me, I love duck. But of course, Daffy's had a pretty rough day here because right now he's getting cooked. So just give me one sec here, guys. I'll be back in just one moment. perfect here. So we got everything all mixed in here right now. So we're just gonna like crisp up. We want those nice rice to be a little bit crisp, but not too crisp. We don't want burning, okay? Especially with duck, is very delicate in terms of we don't want too much moisture, right? We got to cook out that moisture inside. I'm just going to add just a touch of oil, not too much, just a little bit like that. And that's good there. I'm actually just going to, just give me one sec here, guys. I'm just going to put a couple items away, okay? Just keep on watching here. Everything's just cooking right now. We got that beautiful aromatic duck cooking right now. I was just getting my plate and stuff ready here. Just give me one sec here, guys. Here, duck right now. I'm just going to give this a nice little mix around here. Looking very beautiful right now here so far. Cool. We're just going to let that continue to cook here. We don't want to leave it for too long, or else the rice will start to burn, and we don't want that because we just want the rice to be nice and crispy. We're almost done here. The recipe is almost perfectly done here. Ah, that reminds me. I'm just going to grab my special ingredient. Just to take this duck dish just over the top. So my special ingredient just to help take the dish over the top here is hot duck chili oil. It's very delicious. So I'm just going to add just a little bit in here just to help elevate the duck flavor a little bit more and add just a more duck flavor to it. So no chili jam here. So just going to get a nice, beautiful, nice couple scoops in here. Smells so good. So this is very intense flavor and very, love that. So just give me one sec here, guys. So anyhow, I'm just going to start mixing it all up here with the duck chili oil here. Just going to make sure it's properly incorporated here into the item here. Spicy. So holy duck chili oil comes from a nice couple from Hong Kong. Because right now we've almost got our fried rice almost done here. Thankfully nothing's burnt because we've been able to keep an eye on it here. So now finally the last item that we're going to add here to our fried rice. Here is some chopped green onion. Very delicious. I got this from TNT Market. So now we're just going to add this in here, just as a nice way to freshen up the dish. So there we go, and we're good to go there. And we're just going to mix it all together, because right now this dish is basically almost done. So that's our main thing. Just give me 1 sec. Okay guys, so let's get this going here. And we're just now going to add our green onions. Our green onions all mixed in here. We just want a nice beautiful green onion here just to add a little bit more flavor and texture to it here. So because it'll freshen up the dish as well. So this is our fried rice that we got here so far. I know hopefully it's up to Uncle Roger's standards here. Smells so very aromatic and good. Here, we're just going to turn it on low here and just let it crisp up here a little bit here. As that crisps up, I'm just going to clean a couple items here, and then after that I'm going to assemble the dish, so it'll only be a couple minutes more, okay? So how are you guys doing? Are you guys doing well? Okay, well, anyhow, let's quickly finish up our fried rice here, because we are ready for showtime here. Okay, so I'm now going to start adding this into our bowl here. Got our little plate ready here to go. So I'll start scooping this up right now, so we can have our first bite of this beautiful chopped fine. So now I'm just going to press it just nicely slightly down here. Just give me 1 sec here. I'm just going to quickly wash my hands. Okay, so here we go. So we got our fried rice right here. And I got my nice little plate here. So now I'm just going to go like this. And we're just going to let it sit just for a moment here until it firms up. I'm just going to take a little photo here of our food here before we indulge, obviously. I'm looking forward to it. It smells very beautiful in here so far with the chopped fine. I quite personally like cooking chopped fine. I'm looking forward to cooking kimchi bokkeumbap next. Tell me what's your favorite chopped fine. Like me, I like XO chopped fine, to be honest with you. That's how come I use the duck chili fat, because XO sauce is extra old sauce, usually used for Chinese fried rice, or zhongguo chopped fine. So let's see how it looks. I'm just gonna pull this up here. Just gonna do a little reveal here soon. It looks so beautiful right now here. I'm just gonna take a quick photo here. Just give me 1 second here, guys. Okay guys, so you're probably wondering what the fried rice looks like. So here we go. It's quite nice looking, eh? Very nice looking here. I know I gotta get more lighting in here, but anyhow, it smells so very delicious right now. Got those green onions. It's very colorful, at least, because I just didn't want to do a simple egg fried rice. I want to make it a little bit more complex. But anyhow, let's see how it tastes. So let's get a nice little bite here. Let's see here. We got this little section here has some nice duck. That's the main thing with your whenever buying chow fan. Always make sure that you get lots of the item obviously inside, like char siu fried rice. So let's go in here. We're just gonna crack this open here into this beautiful little bit here. So here's our first bite. Looks so good. Smells good too. So so good. Gonna have another bite actually. It's that good. I gotta say, with the duck chili oil from Holy Duck Chili Oil, very good. It makes it very hot sure. Or oshides, or machisayo, or swad. Here we go. Another little look in here. About the only thing I'm missing right now is nice jindal picho. So good. Yeah, I keep on eating this right now. I can see why Uncle Roger likes MSG. It makes it a little bit more irresistible. As you can tell, I didn't burn or crisp up the duck too much, because duck's very fatty. Because they eat lots of slugs. I've actually gone duck hunting up in the Okanagan. Very fun thing to do. Yeah, that's so good. Anyhow, I'm just going to quickly finish this off. I thank you all for watching. Shishini, arigato, kamsamida, shukriya. Until next time, you can enter in my YouTube channel for tickets to the upcoming Vancouver Bubble Tea Festival. Oh, I forgot to say, and I thank you all for watching. Until next time, goodbye.